There will be no judgment. I did tell our friend on the front row she could auction this blanket off and make quite a bit of money here today. Pray for everyone to sit. Good morning. If you are new or you're visiting with us, welcome to our Sun Risen service. We prayed awfully hard for the rain to go away, and the good Lord blessed us with a break in the weather, so we are going to enjoy it. My name is Holly Woodall. I'm the pastor here at Fellowship United Methodist Church. On behalf of our whole church, we are delighted that you are joining us today. We have a very big day of worship.